Good night, teacher and classmate. My name is Maria del Pilar Niños Ocha. I live in Nopsa town. I study environmental engineering. I have 28 years old. I have one daughter. I work in the National Police. It is the Altiplano restaurant. It's very nice, cozy place. The people with working in the restaurant are very amazing. We are reserved with a meal. The price of the food are reasonable. The Altiplano restaurant is located in the carrier 10, number 15, 9, Newark Hot Center of the Nopsa town. His specialty are the hamburgers, have in the excellent tasty, as there are sours the cart, in special pasta and rice. Is a good option to come in and pass a pleasant moment with your family and friends. I usually I am going with my daughter, and we showed them the fantastic moments. Is very good. This restaurant is very excellent. Thank you very much. Bye, teacher. Bye, classmate.